Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower today. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.4% fall. On Friday, the Australian share market closed 0.23% lower at 7,340. Looking at business news from this morning now, JB Hi-Fi reports that total sales increased by 5.6% to $6.55 billion, with comparable sales up 4.8%. As compared to pre-COVID financial year 2019, total sales were up 38.5%. The key growth categories were communications, audio, accessories, games, hardware and services. Online sales did decline by 20.9% to $940 million or 14.4% of total sales. As compared to pre-COVID financial year 2019, online sales were up 264.3%. Now, gross profit increased with a margin of 6.7% to $1.48 billion, with gross margin up 23 basis points to 22.6%, driven by positive sales mix. Now, car sales delivered a very strong set of results with revenue of $781 million, up 53% on the prior corresponding period, and earnings growth in all key markets. The company's achievements this year included completing 2 transformational acquisitions in the US and Brazil, delivering many new products and features, as well as generating strong outcomes for shareholders. The financial year 2023 results once again demonstrate the strength and resilience of the group's business model and the significant long-term growth opportunity in its large and under-penetrated markets. And Strike Energy has entered into a binding scheme implementation deed with Talon Energy. Now, Strike will acquire all the issued shares in the capital of Talon by way of scheme of arrangement. In addition, Talon will look to demerge its Mongolian asset with the potential for its shareholders to retain an interest in the assets, along with $850,000 cash via a potential spin-out of those assets into a separate vehicle to be completed prior to the implementation of the scheme. Now, under the proposed scheme and on a pro forma basis, Talon shareholders will own around 11% and Strike shareholders will own around 89% of the combined company. We'll take a short break here, but stay tuned for more news after the break.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. The S&P 500 inched lower by 0.1% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 0.3% and the Nasdaq slid around 0.6%. European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell 1.24%, Frankfurt lost 1.3%, and Paris closed 1.26% lower. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei was closed. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 0.9%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 2.01% lower. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.